Let's talk about large language models. We have all interacted with it in one form or another, maybe through Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok, etc. Today we will be looking into Ollama, an open source tool designed to run large language models locally on macOS, Linux, and Windows. A much privacy-oriented approach to interact with LLMs, especially if you're dealing with sensitive data. Head over to ollama.com and download the tool for your operating system. I have already downloaded it, so I'm skipping this step. Let's start the installation process. We are done installing the tool successfully. Now let's take a look at the available models that we can run locally on our system. There are a lot of models here to choose from. Which model you are going to choose is highly subjective as it depends on what you are going to use the model for, your computer specs, etc. For light use, models with less number of parameters are highly recommended as they tend to be faster and efficient on computing power. For complex reasoning or data, a model with high number of parameters is recommended, considering you have the hardware horsepower to back it up, like high-end NPU and GPU. There are clear instructions on how to run these models from Ollama, along with benchmark results. For my use, I'm going to install a 2 billion parameter model. So let's fire up PowerShell. Type Ollama run, then the model name, colon, the number of parameters. And Ollama will start downloading the model. This is a fairly lightweight model, so only 1.7 gigabytes. We are almost done here. Alright, it is now 100% complete. Let's write our first prompt. This is great, we are running a large language model locally. Now let's ask the model for a specific piece of information. I want to know what the height of the Empire State Building in New York City is. That is amazing. Now let's verify if the model is actually running locally and not fetching answers from the cloud. Let me go offline here. And as you can see here, there is no internet connection. So let's try asking it another question. Amazing, it is indeed running locally. And it is great, now you don't have to subscribe to different AI agents. It is available to you for free and you can ask unlimited questions, even when you are offline or when you are in a plane and you want to get some work done with the help of AI. And it is pretty good so far as we can see here. You can run this from CLI or even open Ollama and interact with it from a nice UI. Here are all the models. Some of them are available for download, some of them are not. You can always download a new one if you need something more specific. This is fantastic. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.